Zanzibar is a fishing paradise in the middle of the Indian Ocean. So it's full of tuna, fresh barracuda, mahi-mahi. Let's go to a fisherman and get our fish fresh as possible. Wow, I was so excited, and of course I was expecting a really big fish. But waiting. What the most funny thing about fishing today is, like, we're here on the spot and you can see a lot of fishermen and you can see how they catch fish without any gear. We have like 5 folks, no fish. Ah. Believe it or not, I'm on the wrong boat. And then it started raining in Zanzibar. It was raining like hell, but at the end we have a bite. Yeah. Ah. Kingfish?
Kingfish, yeah.
Kingfish. I was not sure if the guys were happier or me. But anyway, we made it. Mission complete.
The nature of Zanzibar with the nature marination from Zanzibar. So please, you are welcome.
So back in the hotel, Kabaka was waiting for me. He's a really great chef from Zanzibar, working with Ali and the hotel crew. And he was so funny, and it was really, I was so happy to meet him and to cook with him. So the whole idea for the plate was the Zanzibari flag, which I was staring at for a long time on the boat. And it's black for barbecue style fish, then yellow for pineapple, then green for avocado, and blue, a bit blue, for being on the sea. Yeah. Something steady. Dude. So, are you ready to taste Zanzibar yourself? Then book your stay with TUI Blue Hotels and dive into the real, authentic cuisine of this beautiful island on your next vacation. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get some more exciting travel footage.